I am Commodore Somen Banerjee, and I've been associated with this anti-submarine warfare, which is primarily about underwater domain awareness and how to protect the ships, the fleets, the various offshore structures of the country at sea from attack and threats. So these are the various, including mines, and also protection of harbors. So these are the things that I've dealt with during my service career in the Indian Navy.
Great. So I would like to ask you, sir, what are your views on the underwater domain awareness?
Well, you see, it is one complete domain. Like there's an air domain, there's a surface domain, and there's an underwater domain. And that underwater domain is hardly visible and therefore very discreet. It's an enigma till you actually discover what is underneath. So obviously, because you use sonar rays and not sight or radar, it's a much more difficult and challenging job, and therefore provides more opportunities for us to explore, and also gives similar opportunities to those who are interested in causing trouble or attacking or threat to the nation. And therefore we need to now collect our structures, our capabilities and capacities. We need to build it to ensure that this domain is not exploited by the threats, and we are able to protect our country, our resources, our structures, infrastructure from those threats.
Absolutely, very well said. With regards to the workshop, what is your ongoing workshop experience?
Yes, you see, this workshop is first of all very timely because we are doing it at a time when India is also leading the world at G20. The governance that India is trying to provide to the world, it's not only at the political level, it's at technological level, at social level, at every level. This is a technological level where India needs to take leadership. We are also responsible for providing our capacity and capability in the Indian Ocean region. That is why other countries are collaborating with us in the Indo-Pacific. And therefore, I think we are rightly placed to align all the structures of our country, the capacity of the country, provide the security to other smaller countries who do not have capability. And since it is happening parallel with G20, I think it is most timely. And we should take this opportunity to take it forward from here.
Great. With that being said, so do you see any future collaborations with MRC and our organization?
Absolutely. I am going to be associated with this, have been associated with MRC for quite some time. I've done some presentations here at various levels. And today I'm here and I would like to associate because this is also my domain, anti-submarine warfare. So I understand underwater domain awareness, and I would be able to help MRC to plug the governance gaps at various levels, at knowledge level, at normative level, at policy level, at institution level, and finally at implementation level. So I can be a great help for MRC.